My center console is stuck. I'm not really sure why. Oh, it just got fixed. I'm afraid now to close it again because I don't know what that was that came shooting out of there. Uh-oh, there's more of it. What the fuck is this? That looks like maybe it belongs to the car. Let's see if more comes out. Okay, well, that's good. But you want to know something that's lame? The iPhone mini does not work here anymore. But I guess this is a 2018. That always happens, right? In a couple years that your iPhone stuff is no longer working. Anyway, so hopefully it's not too big of a deal to put this shit back in. I put some lights under the dash. It's a little bit adolescent, but I don't like when the sun goes down before I get home from work. I'm driving in a dark car so much gets me down. Wow, that was really nice how that tucks in there. Let's see if you can see my lights. I put them on the corner like that so they would shine everywhere. Back to the task. Man, I'm so happy that came out. I don't know what it was. I hope something I just dropped down in there. Uh-oh. Oh, kind of tucks in there. Oh, yeah. Not bad. And now, the other side. These are the little golden clips. But there's also some little nasty plastic things that will probably snap off if I continue to mess around with it. It's nice that they used metal for these clips and not plastic. On that last one, I just kind of tucked it in there. Ew, look. The wire. No! No! The wire got stuck on that plastic clip that I was just talking about breaking. Well, ain't that's a shame right there. Oh, it just clicked. Excellente.